everyone, welcome back to my channel Powered by Little Minds. I'm Cynthia and happy Wednesday. Let me just double check. Yes, it's Wednesday. Okay. I'm actually on my way to Walmart. I have to buy some the command strips. So for my interactive word wall, these are the ones that are originally the ones I was thinking of buying, but then my coworker, the one that is becoming a coach, she had a lot of hooks that she wasn't using, so I got the same hooks from her, but I had to take off the adhesive part. And I was looking at Walmart the other day, looking for the adhesive part for these, but I couldn't find them. But my other coworker, Sabrina, told me that I could just get the regular ones, like the white poster ones. So I'm gonna go pick those up. I have to get at least 26 because there's 26 words in 26 letters in the alphabet. So I'm gonna go to Walmart, pick up some more hooks and adhesives. And the other day too, I also got this 16-inch air-filled balloon, and it's a number 1. And I loved Pocket Full of Primary's idea with the balloon and taking a picture on back to school night or meet the teacher. But this one's smaller. This one's a 16-inch, so a little bit more than a foot, because the other one was 42 inches, and that's like how tall my kids are. So yeah, so I'll see you guys at Walmart. Okay, so I'm here at Walmart, and these are the ones I originally got. And the ones I see right now, this looks like Velcro, I think. Yeah, it looks kind of fuzzy. So, I think she was talking about these. So let's see how many. There's 20! Ugh! I hate it when they do that. I wish there was 30, because I need 26. Okay, I'm gonna buy some of these. I got the last 2. So I guess that's good. They come in 20 each, and then I can have extra for next year if I need any, or if I need to hang anything else up, or if I mess up, because you know I'm clumsy. This is where I got the 16-inch balloon, and it's only 97 cents. And you can blow it up yourself, or you can take it somewhere to get, if you have helium, you can blow it up with helium. But I'm just going to blow it up myself like Pocket Full of Primary did. Okay, so I ended up getting 2 things of command strips. They come 20 each, and then I also got, they have their back to school stuff, a big thing of Post-its, because you can never have too many. And I think that's it, and it was a total of $12.34, but I'm gonna keep this receipt so I can get reimbursed. So I'll see you guys at school. Okay, so I just got to school. I'm gonna show you the letters I cut out yesterday. I went to a training all morning for math leadership team, and then I came here for like an hour or so, and I did stuff on my computer, fixed my desktop because it wasn't working, and then I went to the auxiliary services building for my school district, and I'm going to show you the letters I cut out. Okay, so these ones first I cut out, it's going to say you matter, and I'm going to put, I didn't cut out an O because the clock is going to be the O, so I'm going to put the Y-O-U and then matter over here. I'm going to move those, stack them up higher, like maybe in 3s, so you can see the matter. And then these ones, the bluish one will say phonics, and I'm going to hang that, we'll staple that over there. Then purple says writing, the black one will say word wall, and then the orange one is my name. And the one with my name is going to go over there. So I'm going to start hanging up the You Matter one. Okay, so here's the finished product. It is a little bit slanted, like crooked, but that's okay. It's really hard to do it straight, and it's really hard to reach. My arms are short, so yeah, but I think it looks really good. And there's a glare. I saw this teacher hack where you can get like spray paint that is a matte finish, so you can't see the glare in the camera or for the students, so I might think about getting that. Okay everyone, I'm just gonna start taking these off and putting them on these command hook things, the clear ones. So we're gonna roll a time lapse here, okay? Okay, so I have all my hooks here ready to go. Right now I'm going to, I put a piece of yarn just so I know how straight it'll be, or I want it to be straight. So I'm going to hang up the letters, the word wall letters, and then I'm going to hang up, staple these under, and then put the hooks on. So stay tuned. Okay, I lied. I'm going to put these up first because I want these ones to be centered when I put them up here, because I'm not sure how far the Z will go, so I want the word wall letters to be centered. So I'm gonna hang these up first actually. Okay, this is how it looks. And I noticed at the end that it's going upwards. Guys, I can't do straight lines, but that's okay. It's fine, and I'm already really hot. So we're gonna hang up the word wall letters. Okay, there's the word wall letters. Now I'm gonna stick these on to it's not focusing, that's fine. I'm gonna hang these up here on every single one. Okay, so all the hooks are up. I'm just gonna take off this yarn, then I'm going to put these where they go. Okay, here it is, all finished. I don't have any words for X yet, so if you know any words for first grade that start with X, send them my way, but I'm loving how it turned out. So I took a little break because I got really hot, and right now one of my coworkers, she's a 4th grade teacher, this is her first year teaching, and she did her student teaching here, so we know each other. So she just asked me to translate her brochure for back to school night, like informing the parents and stuff, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So this is what she asked me to translate, and then this is where I'm translating it. I feel like it's easier on Google Docs to translate instead of Word. So I am going to sit here for a while and do that. Hi guys, it's been a while, but I finished translating the back to school night brochure for her and did that. I finished a little while ago. I've been working on this now. I figured I'd do the same thing, but mine's on PowerPoint, and I actually learned how to do this from an early adventures video, how to do her labels and stuff. So thank you so much, Early Adventures. I'll link her video down below so you guys can be educated on this because this is cute and it's a lifesaver. Thank you. Okay guys, I finished it. Look at how cute it is. I'm so excited, and I also did it in Spanish because a lot of my students and parents are Spanish speakers. Hi guys, just a little update. I put up letters up here for my bulletin board that says my name. It barely fit. I was so nervous that it wasn't going to fit because my name's really long, but it did, so yay. And I just spent the last couple of minutes, well not a couple actually, a lot of minutes, making this flyer for back to school night. And again, I also did it in Spanish. And then I also did the sign-in sheet here, and I also did it in Spanish. So I am almost ready for back to school night, which is on August 19th. Hi guys, so just an update. I was cutting out these rules and I'm currently putting them in an class information sheet for back to school night. But I wanted to incorporate more whole brain teaching in my classroom this year. So I'm super excited about that. And yeah, so let me show you what I'm doing. So this is a class information sheet where parents can pick this up. I started doing the birthdays at the top, which was like, maybe I should put the classroom rules first. So that's what I did. And then I have it in Spanish as well that I'm working on. It's 4:26 p.m. and I'm surprised they haven't kicked us out yet, because usually we had to be out of here by like 3:30 and 4. So it's 4:30, so I'm still here. So we'll see what happens when they kick us out. Okay, so they just announced and they're kicking us out in 5 minutes. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye!